Hello, my name is Vrushali Lakshman
Hi,
Gaikwad.
myself
Recently, I have
Drishalvani. I
completed
have
internship with
completed my
Unified Mentor. I
internship
want
with
to share
Unified Mentor
feedback
as a
about my
full stack
experience.
web
The
development
internship was
intern. It
great
was a
learning
great learning
opportunity for me
experience.
as I
I
gained
got to
practical
work on the
knowledge and
projects
hands-on
like
experience with
weather
real-time
app,
projects
which
and
uses API
tasks.
integration, or
This
student teacher
internship
booking
helps to improve
appointments,
my
which
technical
also
skills
uses
and
Firebase and
problem-solving
Cloud
abilities.
Firestore.
Thank you.
I had such a great time
Hello,
working
my
on this
name is Vrushali
project, which
Lakshman Gaikwad.
makes
Recently, I
my
have
knowledge
completed
or
internship
my
with
theoretical
Unified
knowledge
Mentor.
worked into
I
the
want to
practical
share
ones.
feedback
It
about my
improved
experience.
my
The
skills in
internship was great
HTML,
learning
CSS,
opportunity for
JavaScript,
me
and
as I gained
also
practical
I
knowledge
happened to
and
learn new
hands-on
skills
experience
like
with
React,
real-time
Node,
projects and tasks.
and Firebase
This
as well.
internship helps to improve
I had
my
such a
technical
great time.
skills and
Overall, the
problem-solving abilities.
mentors in
Thank you.
Unified Mentor are so supportive. Any doubts
Hello,
can be
my name
solved
is
if I
Vrushali
message them
Lakshman
or
Gaikwad.
call them in any
Recently, I
time,
have completed
which was a
internship with
great thing which
Unified
makes
Mentor.
every
I
task
want to share
easier.
feedback about my
Thank you,
experience. The
Unified Mentor,
internship was
for
great
giving
learning
me this
opportunity for
opportunity, and
me
I'll
as
recommend
I
to
gained
all the
practical
students to
knowledge
gain
and
the work
hands-on experience with
experience
real-time
and the
projects
real
and
life
tasks.
experience to this.
This
Thank you.
internship helps